While they may seem like a chore sometimes, home improvement projects can have a lot of benefits. They can increase your property value, bring you and your family closer together, and most of all, they can be fun. Even if you've never done one before, there are DIY home improvement projects for beginners that can start you off on your journey. One of the easiest ways to learn how to DIY is to start with something you're already familiar with. If you're a fan of painting in your free time, try your hand at painting an interior wall. If you have a green thumb, maybe start with a yard or garden project. You can always choose something that doesn't require previous experience, like caulking or fixing a leaky shower head. But the key is to balance familiarity with something that will provide a challenge. If you're just starting out with the DIY basics, it's best to choose small DIY projects that aren't too complicated. Plumbing and electrical renovations can cause headaches for the uninitiated. Also, choose a project that won't interrupt your home life if it goes on longer than expected. Don't start a DIY bathroom remodel if it's the only one in your home and used regularly. If you plan on painting a room, maybe just start with one wall. Outdoor DIY projects can be a great start, as equipment and supplies in your yard won't frequently get in your way on a day-to-day basis. While you'll want to avoid DIY home projects that require professional knowledge, you may still get stuck figuring out how to complete steps of simple jobs, but that's okay. Luckily, there are tons of resources that can help you through those tough tasks, or even help you through an entire project. You can look up online video guides that teach you everything, from DIY wood projects for beginners to how to install a new sink. Despite your best efforts, research, and DIY tips, your home improvement project still may not turn out like you had hoped. You may even need to call in a professional to put your home back together, but that's no reason to give up on future projects. Even learning the DIY basics can take some trial and error. Keep trying, and once you get the hang of it, the feeling of satisfaction and the new look in your home will be worth all the hard work. Visit ahs.com to find ways to make your home a more fun place to live.